My name is Dhupni Abhishek and today's topic is garbage collection in Java. Garbage collection in Java is the process by which Java program perform automatic memory management. Java program compiled to bytecode that can run on a Java virtual machine or JVM short. When Java program run on the JVM, objects are created on a heap which is portion of the memory dedicated on the program. Evaluate some object will no longer be need to garbage collection and finds this unused object of delete or then the free memory space. Next is what is meant by garbage collection. In C++, program is responsible both the creations and detections of the object. Usually program navigate the detection of the unless object due to navigate at the certain point. Sufficient memory may not be available to create new object and entire program terminate abnormally causing out of memory the error. But Java program need not care of all those objects which is no longer in case garbage collector delays in the object. The main object of garbage collection is free heap memory of destroy unreachable object. The garbage collector is the best example of thread as well running of the background. How does garbage collection works in Java? Java garbage collection is automatic process. Automatic garbage collection is the process of looking at memory, identifying which objects are used to which are not and detect deleted the unused object. In use object of the reference object means some part of the program still maintains the pointer that object. An unused or unreferenced object is no longer referenced by any part of the program. So the memory used to unreferenced object can be recommended. The program does not need mark object to detect explicitly. The garbage collector implement lies on the JVM. Types of garbage collection. There are two types of garbage collection. First is minor or increment garbage collection, and second is major or full garbage collection. First is minor increment garbage collection. It is said to have occurs when the unreachable object in the young generation heap memory are removed. And second, major or full garbage collection is said to be the collection copy into the less frequency in old generation. This is all about garbage collection in Java. Thank you.